In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to listen to your Google Docs with the help of a Chrome extension. This method is especially handy if you prefer to hear your content rather than read it. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open the specific Google Docs file that contains the text you want to listen to. Once you have your document on the screen, the next step is to highlight the portion of the text you want the extension to read aloud. You might want to keep in mind that this extension will only read the text that is highlighted, so make sure to select everything you need. With your text highlighted, turn your attention to the Chrome toolbar. This is where all your extensions are housed. You should see an icon that resembles a speaker. This is the Read Aloud extension icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click the speaker icon, the extension will start doing its magic and read out the highlighted text for you. It's as simple as that, but the customization doesn't end there. There's a nifty control bar right at the top of your browser where you can adjust various settings to tailor the experience to your liking. For instance, you can adjust the voice that reads the text, selecting one that suits your preference. Perhaps you'd like a softer tone or a more authoritative voice. The choice is yours. Additionally, you can adjust the speed at which the text is read. If you're the type who likes to take things slowly, reduce the speed. Or, if you like to consume information at a faster pace, increase it. Another handy feature on the control bar is volume adjustment. Whether you need it louder to catch every word or softer if you're in a quieter environment. And, of course, life can get distracting, so if you need to pause or resume, you can do that too at the click of a button. There you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently turn your Google Docs reading into an auditory experience tailored to your liking. This method not only makes reviewing documents easier, but can also help reduce eye strain from staring at a screen for too long. Remember, the goal is to streamline your workflow and make your document reviewing process as seamless as possible. By taking advantage of these features, you can manage your time better and approach your tasks with a refreshed perspective. I hope you find this tool as beneficial as I do, and until next time, happy listening.